To check your transaction history on Patreon, follow these straightforward steps to easily access your financial records. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Patreon website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your Patreon profile. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can find various account options. Step 3. Select billing history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transactions. In the billing history section, you will see a list of all your transactions. This includes details such as the date, amount, and type of transaction. You can scroll through the list to find specific entries. Step 5. Download our expert history optional. If you need a record of your transactions, look for an option to download our expert or billing history. This feature may allow you to save the information in a format that suits your needs, such as CSV or PDF. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Patreon. Regularly reviewing your financial records can help you stay informed about your subscriptions and support on the platform.